Welcome to Southeast Iowa Solar Haven. How are we doing today, people? Well, I know it's been a while since I did an update, but things been kind of busy around here, and as you can see, it's been a nice, bright, sunny day. Just got informed by our local company here, power company, that they're going to be taking out this tree because they don't like it being close to their power lines anymore. Because as you can see, I've got a lot of power lines around, and I guess they're going to be doing some power line upgrades or something like that. They knocked on the door this morning. I come around outside, and here they proverbially marked the tree, so apparently we're just a little bit too close to their power lines. That's alright. As you can see, in the winter time here, I actually do get a little bit of shading from them, or from this tree, not a lot. So I'm not sure what good it'll do, but they're gonna take her out. But yeah, the solar output's been doing great, actually. Wow. And this is what I was talking about when it comes to trees around here. You see this tree back here, and then I'm walking back here and I'm just noticing big limb had fell off this tree. That's crazy. Just laying there in the ground. Wow. Huh. Well, that happens here a lot because of the bad winds. You can probably see down over the hill there, I got more of these old ash trees. They're just falling apart because they're dead. It happens. Story of my life, ash trees. But yeah, I had I'm gonna walk you guys this way towards the wind. It's a little breezy today, but you know, 65, 66 degrees, so I'll take it. It looks like the pizza guy lost his way. Yeah, he did. Got all kinds of traffic going by today. Holy moly. But anyway, take you in the garage with me today. Take you into my mess. Well, it's not really messy. I got it cleaned up. I finally got a part in for my back window of my Envoy window regulator. It'd been down for 4 or 5 months. Well, probably half a year. As you can see, that part messed up on it, and thank God the motor was good. So I get to work on that. Me and my big speaker boxes. And then there about it was last week, I had my old water tank blow up on me, so I had to put a new one in. So I ended up putting a new tank in, as you can see. Done new piping. I used a SharkBite, and I'm gonna be you know, I'm impressed by SharkBite, so makes it a lot easier to deal with. But got that done. But other than that, that's about it. Ain't much going on here. Just nice sunny skies, as you can see. That's probably the last one. I think tomorrow it's supposed to be a little bit sunny, and then it's supposed to get back into cruddy weather. But Yeah, they're taking the tree out, unfortunately. So my wife said she didn't like the idea of them taking the tree out, but she's a tree hugger. Well, she's not much of a tree hugger, but she's a tree hugger. She's like, it's the only one tree I had in my yard I liked because of shade. I'm like, take it all away. I like the sunshine. But well, I don't know if you can hear that thing singing now. I know on video it don't look like it's going very fast, but trust me, she's a spinning. She's been generating, when she runs about like this, she does about 50 to 80 watts during the day. It's only like a 10-15 mile an hour wind, so it's not really that bad. Now when we get those gusts going up there around 20, 25, the last little bit of windstorm we had there a few weeks back, I seen it max out over 800 watts and it kind of scared me. I was like, it's only rated for 500. But this time of year she makes the power, but during the summer it's a standstill alone, no energy making device. But that's a 500 watt rated turbine that does more than 500, so I wish I could remember the model number. There's a YouTuber that lives in Indiana that showed these, and I thought I'd get one and try one. That was the 5-blade model, and it makes mad power. So anyway, hopefully shortly here I'll be able to show you some more stuff. I had been in contact with a battery company that's making and building lithium batteries. So it's a newer startup, I believe. I'm not sure. They could have been around for a while. I just know that they've been advertising some and they were new to it. So they were talking about possibly sending me a 24 volt lithium battery to review for you people. So we'll see in the future if that happens. Hopefully it does. It's only a 50 amp hour battery, so hopefully if we can work out something with the company. You know, they've done, I reached out to them and they have reached back out to me again. First time I think it was just a little bit of miscommunication, but the second time around, you know, they kind of like, oh yeah. So we might have a battery from them to review, and I found a couple of small lithium packs online that I'm going to be trying out, that I purchased myself. Nothing too expensive, you know, and make a little 12 volt lithium pack, see how that turns out. But anyway, I just want to give you guys an update. I'm still breathing, I'm still alive, I'm staying safe. Hopefully it stays that way. So y'all take care, be safe. You know, like I always say, click like and subscribe. It only hurt once. I promise, it only hurt once. And hopefully here I can give you a review on some lithium batteries and stuff, and see how they work out. So see you later, people. Take care, have fun, stay safe. I'm out of here.